Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village and you can find different buttons on the home screen. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. Go to the second section, the notifications next to the game, and you can find different notifications, the system, the buildings and lands, and the others. If you want to turn off, click to the off button, and if you want to use, just click to the on and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.